Hi, welcome back to Idaho Fabricator. And this is the maiden voyage of my truck. I had a bad computer in it. I showed you how to diagnose that last episode, and in this episode there's a procedure that I wanted to share with you. It's real important, and it's called the 5-10-15 procedure. And what you do, first of all, during this whole procedure, you don't turn your motor off. You leave it running the whole time. So the first part of the procedure, you start your truck up, and you put it in a park, put your parking brake on, and you let it idle while it's cold still for 5 minutes. It takes about 5 minutes or so for your motor to get up to operating temperature, and that's really critical for this to work properly. Once you get your engine up to operating temperature, you shift it into drive and let it sit in drive for 10 minutes. After that, put it back in park and let it idle for 15 minutes. And what you're doing is you're teaching your computer, the idle air control solenoid part of the computer, to learn your idle speeds. So you've got your cold speed, cold idle, you got your in drive, and you also have your cruising, after it's warmed up. So it's a real important test, and I just want to make sure you knew about that. And gosh, I guess that's it. So this is Idaho Fabricator. It's been fun. I'll see you next time. Be sure and like, share, and subscribe. And next time I think we're going to get back in the shop and work on my project transformation. So I'll see you then.